people.
What do you mean, Tuffy?
Well, it's people that make the railroads run. That's what really keeps the trains rolling here, there, and everywhere.
Let's meet the people that work on the train. They work on the train as it goes down the track. It goes down the track from town to town with the people that work on the train.
Trains keep our country moving, and the people that work on the train keep the train moving.
There's the conductor, Mr. Conductor. He takes our ticket when we get on the train. The train is leaving when he says, "Ahoy!" That's the conductor of the train. The train is going, keep the big wheels rolling.
The people that are working on the train.
We're rolling all around through the valleys and the towns.
With the people that are working on the train.
There's the switcher, the railway switcher. He moves all the tracks for the railway train. He gives the signal when the track's all clear. That's the switcher on the train.
The switcher moves the railroad track and directs the trains to different tracks or to sidings.
There's the mechanic,
A
diesel
train.
mechanic. He opens up the engine and he walks inside. He works on the engine to make mighty power to pull all the cars so fast. We leave the station and cross the land.
With the people that are working on the train.
We cross the deserts and head to the sea.
With the people that are working on the train.
There's the porter, the train porter. He takes our luggage and he puts it on board. He takes good care of all our things. That's the porter on the train.
The porter makes sure that hundreds of packages get on board the right train, and the porter does it quickly to ensure that the train leaves on time.
There's the cook and the server and the waiter. They're working in the dining car. When we get hungry, we go to see the people working in the dining car. We drive through the cities and wave to everyone.
With the people that are working on the train.
Our headlights shining in the dark of night.
With the people that are working on the train.
There's the engineer, the train engineer. He blows the whistle when he drives the train. He makes it go fast, he makes it go slow. That's the engineer on the train. The train is going, keep the big wheels rolling.
The people that are working on the train.
We're rolling all around through the valleys and the towns.
With the people that are working on the train.
That's all the people that work on the train.